Okay folks, welcome back. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you a little more of the features of my homemade pocket hole machine. So I know a lot of you guys are wondering, how do I adjust for the different thicknesses of material? Well, actually this machine actually adjusts itself. It doesn't need any adjusting for different thicknesses to a certain point. So what I have here is a piece of 5/8 material. You can see that it's going down quite a bit lower, so it would actually clamp about 1/2 inch material. And then if I want to, just 5/8 material, you can see, will just slide into it. Then I'll be able to drill my pocket hole. And even if I wanted to go 1.25" on this one setting, it'll even do 1.25", as you can see. So still be able to drill my pocket hole. But then I know a lot of you guys are wondering, what if I wanted to drill a piece of 2-inch? Well, if I'm going to drill 2-inch and I want to change the position of the pocket hole, then I'm going to have to do a little bit of adjustment. And I just made this one little jig up here that I'm going to make this will make it good for 2-inch material. And the way that I'm going to have to do it is I'm actually going to have to take a few screws out. So I'll just take these out here. I guess I got to take my springs off first. Let's take my little springs off. Then I've just got to take a few screws out. I'm just going to be able to let that fall to the back. Then I'm going to put this piece on. Just run it up even. Put my top piece back on, and you see what that does is it actually moves that back by 3/4 of an inch. Now I have an 1.5 inch setting. Put these screws back in. So then just put the screws back in, and then all I'm going to have to do is hook my springs. My wife just came in, so I had to shut the video off. Now I just hook the springs back up. Like so. I know I'm probably getting right in the way of the camera here, but I'm a lot better tool builder than I am video maker. So there, now you can see that will allow me to drill a pocket hole in the 2-inch. And I'll do that just to show you. Now we'll turn this around. You see, slide it in tight. And I actually have the bit set a lot deeper right now than I would if it was just 5/8 material or 3/4 material. Now I haven't tried changing any higher than 2-inch, but by the way it seems I could actually go higher without even having to make any adjustment to my linkage. So kind of neat how it works. It obviously should have a couple of more screws. I've just got this tack, and maybe eventually even make some sort of adjustment, little slot adjustments that this thing would be able to adjust just by a couple of slots. So kind of an interesting thing. So hopefully you guys had fun watching it. Hopefully you'll keep tuning in, and we'll see you next time.